Namaste, my friends. I am Krishna. Welcome to Wellness with Krishna, created through Shambhala Yoga Company. Now, this is more than a channel or another yoga channel. This is a movement, a place to rise through life's challenges with peace, presence, and positivity. Now, yoga here just isn't another exercise. It's a way of life, aligning the body, the mind, and the spirit. And what I share with you comes from real life experiences. Now, I've walked through the fire. I've rebuilt myself more than once, and these lessons are practical tools that you can apply today. And I know what it means to reset, especially later in life in your 40s and 50s. To use that wisdom and strength takes courage. Now, everything you see here is authentic. There's no heavy edits, no fake production. It's just me in a park, a real person speaking directly to you through this camera. Now, every week you'll find yoga and meditation for stillness and clarity, wellness practices to fuel your health and energy, lifestyle and nutrition tips for strength, and reflections on relationships and purpose, and of course, spiritual guidance to remind you who you really are. Now, beyond these videos, I offer one-on-one coaching. I host retreats worldwide in sacred spaces like Thailand, where we gather in community spaces, practice, and transformation. So if you've been searching for more than just another yoga channel, well, you found it. If you're seeking wisdom, growth, and real change, this is your home. Please subscribe now, explore the links below, and let's walk this path with me. And remember, peace, presence, and positivity. That's the Shambhala way. Welcome to the journey, brothers and sisters. Welcome home.